WPC is a new type of building indoor decoration material. Made from a mix of wood flour and plastic, the WPC wall panel indoor has the qualities of wood, with the ease and water resistance of plastic. This is our best-selling style, and the size is 160*24 millimeters. It is made of a substrate and a film. You can choose the color of the film paper in different colors, and the color of the substrate can also be customized by you. This buckled WPC wall panel indoor, in order to save packing space, is the best size choice.